Assalamu alaikum, good morning, welcome back to my channel once again. This is weekly video. I have covered gold, silver and crude oil in this video. I have given forecast with upcoming event in this video. So don't forget to press the like button if you enjoyed this video, and please watch full video to get the all support and resistance for next week. Let's get started. This is gold daily chart. Gold crashed and badly crashed last week. Let's rewind what happened in gold last week. This is Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday and Monday. Monday gold opened around 1843. It tested around 1853-54 and then crashed back to test around 1781. So gold lost almost $50 in a single week. If you count from the highest point, it lost nearly $65. So that was the small recap. What happened in gold, why it crashed. Regarding Fed, I have already covered that thing in my Thursday video. You can check that out. Gold is feeling pressure. Gold is facing pressure from all around. First and most important is dollar index, which is gaining more and more every single day. Whenever we think that yes, dollar index is going down now, dollar index might be at peak and it could retrace. Other day it makes a new high. Dollar index is trading almost at 8-month high. Last time dollar index tested above 97, it was July 2020. So it 1.5 year, not 6 months. So dollar index is trading at 1.5 years high, as we have already discussed. So we are trading at 18th month high in dollar index. That is the major reason why gold is feeling pressure. In fact, gold tried to avoid that altogether in last few months, but finally dollar index is catching up and dollar index is making gold blood. Now this bleeding should stop or will not stop. That is the $1 million question you must be asking, that what will happen in gold in upcoming week. For gold buyers, the news is not that great because gold have closed 1800 below 1800, and that is a very bad sign for gold prices. And the fundamental data which we are receiving since 2 weeks, very encouraging, very positive for dollar. If you remember, this week we had GDP numbers, and GDP number came exceedingly strong, indicating that the annual rate of GDP increased by 6.9%. Now Fed have already cleared that even before GDP numbers, that they have enough room to increase interest rate to control the inflation. Now this encouraging GDP numbers will only help Federal Reserve to increase interest rate, and now they know that economy has sufficient cushion to handle the inflation and handle the rate hike which they are gonna do. Federal Reserve cleared that they will be start raising interest rate from March after tapering, after quantitative easing is complete. But now economy is so strong, they might be going for 0.5% interest rate hike instead of 0.25%, which was earlier expected. These strong GDP numbers give the Fed necessary to initiate liftoff and begin a series of rate hikes throughout this year, and even it could continue up to 2023. So now we have to see what happens in the market after the first rate hike in the March. For next week or upcoming week, in upcoming weeks I am expecting more pressure in gold prices, but we have one more major data which could reverse the trend and which could reverse the cards as well. we have unemployment rate and non-farm payroll numbers which will be releasing this Friday. So we will keep an eye. Till then, we will stick with numbers. We will stick with our trend and we will stick with our forecast. The forecast is gold and silver are looking for more blood. Rest depends on non-farm payroll numbers and unemployment rate. I will be covering every single day. So make sure you subscribe the channel and click bell icon. I usually update Monday to Friday as well. So you can check intraday level as well on this channel. So before moving further, let's quickly have a look at of major events and the data which are due next week. I will be highlighting only major data and all timings are Indian Standard Timing. Monday, we have German inflation numbers. Tuesday, we have German unemployment change and manufacturing numbers. We also have manufacturing numbers from US, job openings. Wednesday, we will finally receive advanced non-farm payroll numbers. Please underline this thing. These are just advanced numbers, not actual numbers. Interestingly, forecast is 210k only. So this could be an indication what is coming. I will be updating regarding that in my daily video. So don't worry. Thursday, we have Britain's monetary policy, Europe's monetary policy and press conference along with unemployment claims, non-farm productivity and services number from US. Thursday will be a little bit action packed. The main action will be on Friday. Non-farm payroll number, unemployment rate, average, hourly, earning. So keep an eye on those data. These will be very, very important numbers. So regarding levels, let's have a look at resistance and support for next week. 1860, that will act as resistance now. If gold break and close above this resistance, then expect gold to test around 1900 and 1940. Support is at 1745. If gold break and close below this support, then expect 1700 and even 1670 is also possible. Currently gold have entered in weak zone, so please make sure you trade accordingly. And also don't forget to watch my daily video because I will be covering intraday trend and intraday levels. I will be giving daily, so you can also check that. Let's move on to silver. This is silver. As you can see, the channel have turned from positive to negative now. Silver was underperforming last month because of lower equity as well. Let's quickly have a look what happened in silver last week. Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday and Monday. Monday it opened around $24.30 and it closed around $22.47, not considering the low of $22.14. So almost lost nearly 200 pips. It's like $200 in gold. So clearly underperformed gold prices last week and clearly crashing more than gold. Let's quickly find out resistance and support in silver for next week. Silver clearly entered in weak zone. There is no single doubt about that. But keep an eye on major data which I have just mentioned earlier. Hindi version of this video is available on my streaming channel. You can subscribe streaming channel as well. I usually live stream from Monday to Friday, 6:45 to 7:45. Streaming channel link on your screen and it is also available in description. So now support at 2130. That is a very, very strong support. Keep an eye on the support. Resistance at 2460. Only above 2460 we will see some fresh buying from silver. Above 2460 closing may lead up to $26 and $27. If silver managed to close below 2130, then expect $20 and $19. Currently, silver is clearly in weak zone, so trade accordingly. Don't forget to check daily levels as well. And for my paid signal service, you can also send me a message on WhatsApp. Number is on your screen right now. You can just send a WhatsApp message. This is crude oil chart. Clearly, it is an upturn. There is no doubt about that. If you are watching my videos regularly, you must be knowing that we are in positive zone and we will in positive zone till market doesn't break our support. Last week support was different. This week support will be a little different as usual. So let's quickly jump to the resistance and support. $79, that is the support in crude oil today. This is support for next week. If crude oil break and close below $79, then expect crude oil to test up to 75 and $71. Resistance will be $91.20. Yes, $90 resistance is not valid now. Now it is $91.20. If resistance of $91.20 breaks and crude oil managed to close above this resistance, then expect $94 and $96. Currently it is in uptrend, clearly a positive commodity, so please trade carefully. And if you are taking any short, if you are going for any selling, please have a very strict stop loss in your selling. Also, you can join me for live data. You can check my Telegram and Twitter. I usually post live data, regular market updates, regular gold, silver and crude oil updates on Telegrams. All links are in description. MCX weekly levels can be seen in community post by clicking the join button. Weekly levels have been posted. For paid signal, number is on your screen. This is a WhatsApp number and not a calling number. That was the video, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to press the like button. If you want regular video, please make sure you subscribe the channel and click bell icon. Leave your feedback in comment section. I read all your comments. Now I will see you on Monday in my Monday's video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Happy weekend.